Have you considered silver would have to fall another $5 per ounce from where it is right now just to get to the low that it hit within the last 6 months? So while it may feel like the sky is falling over the last 24 hours, let's keep a broad perspective on where we've come from and where we are right now. I appreciate you joining me here in Ron's Basement. You know you're always welcome here. You are a gold card holder. I wouldn't say silver card with the way silver has performed over the last 24 hours, but let's dig into this recent action in silver, take a broader view of what's going on, and see if indeed we still have reason for optimism, a thesis based in reality to think that the price of silver could continue to do well in the coming months, quarters, and years. We've got some interesting things to talk about. You and me, let's do it right now. If we take a look at a price chart of silver for the last 2 months, the price has bounced around erratically between the $22.50 per ounce and $24.50 per ounce price range. It has stayed in that channel. Now, we are at a critical phase, right? We need to hold this $22.50 range, or from a technical perspective, things could look dicey for the price of silver. Now remember, technical analysis is by far not always correct, but the fact that we were in that tight range and held that for such a long period of time indicated that a break would come either to the upside or to the downside. Now, just on Wednesday, shoot, it felt like it was definitely going to be to the upside. We were rocketing up and things were looking good, but over the last 24 hours or so, the price of silver has sustained some serious damage, almost $2 per ounce. We'll see if that continues. We won't get too worried unless silver starts to trade consistently under that $22.50 per ounce range. Now, the other key thing we have to remember is this range is much higher than where we've been in the last 6 months. Within the last 6 months, silver traded at $17.50 per ounce. So the bottom section of the range that we're in now is a full $5 higher than where we were just within the last 6 months. We need to keep that in perspective. Healthy pullbacks are normal in any market. Are they fun? Are you having fun? No, I'm not having fun, right? It upsets me. It upsets my stomach. I'm just being honest. But we need to keep a healthy perspective. Talk to ourselves, talk to our friends, visit Ron's Basement, keep things within reason as we look at what is going on out there. I challenge you to think about this. If we'd been sitting down here 6 months ago, and many of us were, and I had told you that 6 months from now, silver would be bouncing around between $22 and $24 per ounce, we would have had a big party. We would have been very happy. We would have said that's $5 higher than where we are right now. So try to keep it in perspective. I'm not saying, again, that this is not painful in the last 24 hours, but we need to keep an eye on the big picture and the fundamental story behind silver, the supply demand dynamics. The supply of silver, guys, is going down, right? Demand for silver is going up. And I imagine that this recent $2 per ounce drop in the silver price will result in more robust demand, especially from investors for silver. Heck, the Indians last year in India, they imported 300 million ounces of silver. So do you think it's safe to say that the supply-demand dynamics for silver remain intact? That doesn't even factor in the monetary use, the fact that people are using silver now all over the world as a hedge against inflation. It's been valuable for thousands of years. It's provided a hedge against inflation for thousands of years. Don't you forget one thing. You matter. You're important. It's a big deal you're here. I hope you feel like you found a new friend, a new little home away from home here in the basement, because you are always welcome. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Your opinions matter. We want to learn from you. We want to learn about you. We're all entitled to our different perspectives and opinions. Leave a comment in the comment section below.